Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa again. Look what I got. I think this is the Kiwi Lane Monthly Kit Club kit. So I haven't seen a sneak peek of this, and I will be opening it with you and seeing it for the first time with you. Anyway, for those of you who are interested in subscribing to our monthly kit club, we still have openings for them, and so I think there's about 200 slots. I'm seeing this, I'm like, yay! So oh my gosh, this is so cute. Birthday. And so anyway, what I was saying, sorry, I get so excited when I saw the kit here because who doesn't have any birthday? Anyway, so going back to what I'm saying, there are still about 200 slots for the monthly kit club. I'm going to leave my link right here, or I should say my website, so you can order at Kiwi Lane, create.kiwilane.com/scrapbooks Hawaii to order your kit. So the next time I try to do something with the kit club, you can follow along with me. Anyway, we're going to open this kit and we're going to show you what's in the kit. By the way, I want to show you this at the back, what you can do with this kit. And it tells you what templates to use. Same thing down here. And so anyway, without further ado, let me turn this over and show you the kit. And I want to show you the templates first. And it's a new template called Party. And we have, can you see that? That's in there, and I'm going to show you the templates one by one. Oh, this is cute. I'm so excited. Okay, so we have, looks like a cupcake thing up here. You know what you can use with the, for this too is, I'm looking at ice cream cone. So there you go. And then you can put it on a cake stand. And then you have a party hat, a ribbon, a little banner, and a candle. How cute! So cute. Okay, let me show you the papers. And I'm going to go through this fast. Well, we want to make a layout with this, so I'm going to go through this real fast. Let's start with this 4x6s.
And then the 3x4s. Big giveaway highlight in the back. I like that the backs are, of this cards are generic, so you can still use them for other kits or other layouts. Oops. So I'm going to go through this fast.
And then here we go for the papers.
We have this, banners. We have the balloons. We have candles. Cupcakes. This is pretty generic. You can use that for anything else. Oh, I like words. So really cute. And this will be the base papers. 2 of each. And then here's another 2 in the back.
Okay, guys. Now that we have our kit, let us create a layout. So this is the base paper I'm going to use, and then we are going to be using several templates here. I'm using 3 different borders. The first one is a chevron 3B, and I'm going to place it up here. And then the next one is the scallops 2B, and I plan to use it and put it up there. The next one would be Jason Lane. This is a new template that just came out for the fall and winter, and it's Jason 1B. I plan to use a Party 5, Party 6, the Party 2, I'll put it back here for now. Oops, yeah, that's right. And then a party 4, and we're gonna put it there. Then we're going to use, this layout's gonna have 2 photos, a 4x6 that'll go over here. Oops. So the elements will be going on top of the photos, and then a 4x4, and this will go there. And as you know me, I might tweak it a bit later, but in the meantime, this is what I'm thinking. Or maybe we can put this over here so it's not right on the photo. Right there. I plan to have another hat, and I'll put it over here. So this is the layout I'm looking at. Hopefully I won't change it, but this is how I see it in my little brain. So here you go. I'm going to cut the paper, trace, ink, and then cut. And as usual, I'm going to speed it up. It's paper, but since it is dark in the front, I'm going to put it at the back and trace it that way. Since this is darker and busier, I'm going to put this over here and trace it this way. And then one thing good about our templates is they're transparent, so you can see if you want to use one of our cards, which I am going to use here. You can see through and then trace around that.
There you go. The whole thing.
It's time to cut. Okay guys, let me show a trick that I do normally when I have to layer or do a paper piecing. It's what we normally used to call it for this hat, for the party hat, because I want to have a different color for the pom-pom up here. So I made a template. I went ahead and traced it, cut it. But if you look at how I did it, I went ahead and cut it and just left the top part open. That way I can use this extra piece here to anchor the pom-pom up there. So let me just make this skinnier. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I hope you can. I'm putting the glue up here and going ahead to put the pom-pom and skew it a bit because that's how it was in our template. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to let it sit here and dry before I ink it. I did the same thing for the candle, and I went ahead and cut it, made a little bit of a extra strip here, put glue there, put the flame on, and there's our candle. Again, I'm gonna let it dry before I tack it on. Here's another one here. Here's the pom-pom. I'm gonna put it on, and this is, I'm going to just let them dry, put them on the side, and let them dry before I ink them. So now, here are the elements that I've created for the layout, and I'm gonna go ahead and ink them. This is the Chestnut Brown, the Color Box Cat Eye ink pad, and because it has that point there, I like to use this to ink. So this is how I normally just do it, and scoot it up on the corner and then glide. Scoot it up and glide. And if there's not enough ink, I just go ahead and go back to those. I do the same thing with the scallop, scoot it up, and then glide.
Scoot it up and then glide.
And this covers the pencil marks, so you don't really have to erase the pencil marks that we have done or we have created when we were tracing the templates. If you're interested in buying this, I have it at Scrapbooks Hawaii on Facebook. You can join my group and you can see what else I have in there. This bottle glue applicator will also be in Scrapbooks Hawaii in about 3 weeks from now, 3 to 4 weeks from now, and I'll put it up on the Facebook group Scrapbooks Hawaii. Okay guys, it's now time to tack this down. So I'm going to tack this down kind of upside down because it's easier for me that way. So guys, because the cupcake comes in several pieces, actually comes in three pieces, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this together separately, and then we'll put it on right after. So I'm going to place the pictures so I know where to put the elements down, the cupcake and the hats. So here, I'm planning to place the pictures right here. So I'm going to put the cupcake right here. Here guys, I'm done with the layout. I didn't tack everything down well yet because I am expecting pictures to go down at the elements here. So anyway, here you go. I hope you enjoyed watching me put this layout together. If you have any questions or comments, please make them down in the comment below. For those of you who want the products that you've seen so far, I will have my link down in the description box and also here on the screen. Also, if you are interested in getting free Kiwi Lane products, please let me know. Email me at scrapbookshawaii@yahoo.com. Do me a favor, put on the subject line Kiwi Lane. I receive quite a bit of emails in that email address, but if you put Kiwi Lane, I'll definitely read it. Thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. If you're a first-time viewer, hi and welcome to my channel, and please do subscribe. Watch out for more layouts coming soon. Anyway, guys, thanks again, and I'll catch you later. Bye.